In this video, I will show you 3 websites that can help you in your Forex trading. So welcome to this channel and ensure you watch this video to the end. Now, the first site is the BabyPips.com, which has a section called the School of Pipsology. And on this section, you can learn everything you need to know about Forex trading. This site also provides things like Forex tools, Forex news, trending ideas, technical analysis, trading systems, the economic calendar, and Forex forums. The second site is the FXStreet.com, which is great when it comes to providing Forex news. This site also provides things like real-time rates and charts, technical analysis, Forex signals, the economic calendar, educative materials on cryptocurrencies and stocks, the weekly forecast, featured brokers, and even a trending studio. The third site is the ForexFactory.com, which provides a detailed economic calendar and other things like Forex news, trending analysis, and market analysis. It also provides trending forums on cryptocurrencies, metals and energy, things like featured brokers, live positions and accounts, and live trending sessions. Now, this is like everything for this video, and if you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more of these educative videos.